So hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Guys, today I will talk about fitness centers. More than 65% of India's population is less than 35 years old. The youth are a health conscious, alert, and many of them are members of a fitness center or gyms. They love to hit the gym and burn a few excess calories. The remaining 35% also comprises a lot of fitness enthusiasts and health conscious peoples. Anyone who has trained in an area of fitness can start a fitness center. The space or infrastructure and equipment can be leased or bought. The small can be used for almost 16 hours a day, as people like to walk into the fitness center at various times during the day. The idea of opening a fitness center is a business idea with low investment. Even if the person interested in opening this center cannot afford it, he has multiple avenues at his disposal to avail a small business loan also. It's a very profitable business idea, as subscribers of the fitness center find it difficult to keep coming to the fitness center regularly. And one more thing, but most of them pay an annual subscription also. Is it? So thank you so much, guys. Be happy, take care. Please share this video to everyone so that we can motivate everyone, we can inspire everyone, we can help everyone. Thank you so much. Be happy, take care.